Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing 4 Boxycharm boxes for you today. I'm a little late to the game on this because my Boxycharm PR was very late and then I was gone for a week on vacation, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys still what I received. So Boxycharm actually sent me all 3 boxes this month, the base, the premium, and the luxe to show you. And I do have my purchased premium box as well here to compare. So I have 1 base, 2 premiums, and 1 luxe box to unbox with you and show you what all I got in these boxes for the month of September. So let's go ahead and get started. We're just gonna kick it right off with the base box, the $25 a month one. If you guys are subscribed to the luxe, you will not get a base box. Do keep that in mind. The luxe kind of replaces that box and it gets you even more stuff. And they only do that one every few months or so. So this is the theme. I think it's back to school. It just says BTS, Boxycharm BTS. And the first thing I am pulling out here in the base box, we did get a full-size GLAMGLOW YOUTHMUD mask, which is pretty exciting. This is a pretty top seller on Sephora. It's one of those fun mud masks that like really draws out the oils of your skin. Like you could see it working on the face where some spots will be a little bit darker on the mud mask. This retails for $60 and you're getting it in this $25 box, so a great deal to get a full-size GLAMGLOW mask. We also got here a product from GEORGETTE KLINGER. This is new to me. This is a MARULA primer from them, and it says that it blurs imperfections and ensures an all-day radiant finish, hydrating and long-wearing. It cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, ensuring silky smooth makeup application that won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. This does retail for $32. I love marula oil. I've gotten into that ingredient for my skin from using the original like Drunk Elephant one. So I love that this includes it in the ingredients. So I may actually go ahead and try this one out. It does look very interesting to me. We also have here a product from, oh, insert name here. This is a brand I know that makes different like hair extensions, but they also have some different hair like products. So this is the Quick Slick from them. Oh wait, I saw people using this and it looked so cool. So it's for your stray hairs and it's like a little mini mascara wand, and you just coat this and get your stray frizzy hairs that are popping up, which is going to be so awesome because I feel like lately I've had a lot of frizz and it's been very annoying. So this is great if you want to get that sleek look. I'm so excited to try this. This retails for $22. We also got a full-size HUDA beauty product. This is one of their DEMI matte lipsticks. So this essentially is kind of like a lip gloss, but it has a lot of like coverage. Like the color is very opaque. I did get a really pretty color though. This one is called DAYSLAYER. And it's a nice kind of warm and neutral. This is what it looks like. So it's very like glossy looking. So we got that in the full size. This retails for $20. And then the last thing in my base box, I got this Pinky Rose cosmetics product. I feel like I've heard of this brand. I'm not sure from what though, but this is the Pump Your Base. It says multi-use makeup sticks. And it looks like a little boom box. So these are just little base sticks. I wonder how they would work for like primers. We have a just cream color, which will be awesome to lay down just to blank all the lid out and give yourself a good canvas to work on. And then we also have this like coppery shade as well to add like a shimmer down. So it seems like these would be pretty long wearing on the eyes. These do retail for $20. And it says it works as a primer to your eyeshadow. So that is what I got in my base box. That was a really good value, I would say, especially including that GLAMGLOW mask. So a pretty good box for the month. Let's see what we got in my PR premium box. So for premium, it's usually $35 and you get a little more for your money with this one. The first thing I'm seeing is kind of fun. This is from LORAC. I haven't gotten their stuff in a long time from like a subscription box, but we got these eyeglass trios, which look stunning. It says it's a liquid gel cream eyeglass that offers a high pigment payoff with even application in one stroke. I'll go ahead and give these a little swatch. This one is Solstice on the bottom. Next up is Tan Lines. These are so pretty. They're very liquid feeling. And we also have the shade Seashell. I would see myself using this one the most because it's like a really pretty pinky champagne. So I'm actually really excited about these. They look beautiful. I cannot wait to try them on the eyes. We also got a brush from COMPELX Culture. This brand was made by Ipsy, I believe, and now Ipsy and Boxycharm are like owned by the same company now. So now we're getting that here, and we got the Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Honestly, I don't know if I will use this. I feel like I got this already in an Ipsy and I just never used it because I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing with this crazy tool. So maybe I'll put this one in a little giveaway. But it's supposed to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. I'm so excited. We got the VERB Ghost Oil. This is one of my favorite hair oils. It works so well because it's called Ghost because it doesn't really leave like a heavy feeling behind. It feels very lightweight. It's seriously the best. This retails for $18, so we got a full size in our premium. We also got here a MERCIER moisturizer. This is awesome. So we got something from their skincare brand. I do have this one. It's the mattifying oil-free moisturizer. It does retail for $62 and it's supposed to give oil control that hydrates the skin, leaving a natural matte finish. Very cool to get that in here. Here's just what it looks like if you guys are wondering packaging wise, but I'm probably going to put this one in the giveaway for you guys. I also received this BLOOMEFFECTS product. This is a really cool brand that uses like tulips in their product, which is so cool because it's like a Dutch brand. This is their Tulip Dew Mist. So I'll definitely be trying this out. It retails for $34 and it says it gives a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamins B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. It's supposed to prevent moisture loss. You can use on bare skin, over makeup, or throughout the day to like refresh. Very excited. And lastly, in the premium, I got the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. I don't think I've tried this from them. All their stuff is bakery themed. This is what it looks like. So it has a pretty big range of colors here. I would probably only use this one, so I think I'm going to go ahead and give this away. I feel like this would work better for someone with a medium or deeper skin tone than me and would get more use out of it. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway, but I think it's so cute. I always love the packaging design of their stuff. So for that premium, I would say it was definitely a great value. I'm a little unsure about some of the products. Some of them were duplicates for me, but definitely worth the $35. I do quickly want to share what I got in my premium paid for box. I thought this one was a really good one. I always get comments about how the PR boxes are always better, but I actually disagree because usually I actually prefer my paid boxes just because I get to pick some of the products and I just feel like they're really good. So in mine, I also got some duplicates. So I did get the VERB Ghost Oil. So one of these will also be going to you guys to try. I did get a duplicate Milk and Honey palette, so maybe I will keep one for myself as well to try out. And I did get a duplicate of the Sonic Facial Massager here. So I got a lot of the same products, but some other really cool things I got that I was really excited to see. I got a TANLUXE Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum. I'm always all about trying different tanning products, and I've heard this brand is pretty good, so I'm really excited. I know with these serums, I think it says apply 4 to 12 drops directly to skin and massage in, and it's supposed to give you a little bit of a tan. This does retail for $49 for this. And then I got a Tarte product. I was so excited. I got a Tarte GLOWTION Skin Perfector. This one is from the Rainforest of the Sea line, and it says it perfects, enhances, and primes. So I guess you use it as a glowy makeup primer. I was really excited to see that in my box. This one retails for $32. And I got a product from LORAC again, and this one I probably prefer because it's one of their loose setting powders. Really excited to get this in my paid for box in the shade Vanilla. Maybe I picked this product, I don't remember, but I'm really excited to try out their setting powder. It says it gives a natural light diffusing effect while instantly smoothing imperfections and minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines. This retails for $30. So personally, I thought my paid for premium was even better. I loved even more of the products I received in that one. Sorry I'm going so fast, but I'm just trying to get through all the stuff. Lastly, I wanted to unbox my PR Luxe box and share what I got in this one. So this one actually is a different theme. It says Fall Luxe on it with the fun fall leaves. And the first thing on top that I see here, this is from Cab Cosmetics, and I believe I have seen this brand at Walmart. So Walmart's been carrying some more indie brands lately. It's not like a cheap brand by any means, but they've just been carrying some different things. I feel like this brand was like a group of girls. I don't know if they were influencers or if they were on a show or something, but this is the volume 1 just like face palette here. I don't know how much use I personally will get out of this, but it does retail for $60, and it's just gonna have 8 different highlight and contour shades in here. This is super orangey. I feel like they need a deeper one, but this is just the number 1, so I guess for fair to light skin tones. I'm so excited to see this Rare Beauty palette in here. I have not tried like their powder shadows yet, so I think mine might be broken though, which is really sad. This is the Magnetic Spirit one. Yeah, this is messy. My dark shade got totally crushed. I'll have to see if I can fix it, but yeah, that's a little preview of what it looks like. I'm really excited to try the formula though. It's like a dark greeny gold color that got ruined, which I would have loved to use, but I'll see if I can fix that up. I won't show you too much of a close-up for now because it's kind of a mess, but I'm excited to get a Rare Beauty product. This was retailing for $25. It looks like I also got a flat iron in here. How cool is that? I think it's full size, but it's by ADAGIO, and it's just their not so mini ceramic flat iron. I'm excited to try this and see how it is. I'm kind of picky when it comes to my flat irons. I use one from T3 that I love, but this one I would say is like a medium size actually. This would be nice for like travel and stuff. This one retails for $99. Oh my goodness. It says giving shiny, silky, no frizz, manageable hair with unlimited styling potential. We also got some Saturday Skin. This is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Sounds really nice, honestly. It says a soft and luxurious cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. I know they do sell this brand on Sephora. So pretty though. It has like holographic packaging, and this one retails for $57, you guys. That's insane. We also got some Nuco. I think this is an expensive brand as well. The Defense Drops from them. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the giveaway. This does retail for $35, and it says use at the first sign of a scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune response. So like, I guess you're supposed to like mix it in with your drink or something like that. Kind of interesting. I also got this from Dew of the Gods. It says Froze Hya Activated Lip Scrub. Very interesting. Let's open this. It's like really thick sugar crystals made from sugar, strawberry seed oil, jojoba, and shea extract for $16. It looks really like thick, so we'll see. The chunks are pretty big, but I'll definitely have to try it. I also received this Lifestyle Co. Bamboo Body Polish. You guys know how much I love scrubs, so I'm really excited to try this. Sorry, this is kind of messy with eyeshadow. This retails for $49, and it says it quickly absorbs into the skin, helping it feel softer and more nourished. Keep in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effects and to boost circulation. Very nice. And last but not least, I did get some lashes from MAC, which is kind of exciting to see. Some MAC lashes, number A60 Goddess Lash. So I'll definitely be using these. I've not tried MAC lashes. I've seen them at TJ Maxx, but I haven't picked them up. But maybe if I really like them, I can go ahead and get more. This retails for $18. Really pretty style. So that was my Luxe box. Honestly, it was great. It would have been awesome if my Rare Beauty palette is still intact, but I thought overall we got some really good stuff in there. A great month overall for Boxycharm. Some great brands. I love seeing some new ones like Rare Beauty, LORAC. So a really exciting month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to enter that giveaway, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and leave a comment down below about whatever you want. Just leave a comment and I'll pick a winner winner a week from today. Winner will be in my description box. Leave me your Instagram handle so I can contact you. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.